Unboxing Nail Swap Book.
I can't say anything to your face. 'Cause look at your face.
Comes with extra tips and plastic holders.
And I'm so furious at you for making me feel this way. But what can I say? You're gorgeous. You should take it as a compliment that I'm talking to everyone here but you.
Beautiful and sleek
You should
hard
think
plastic
about the
book.
consequence of you touching my hand in a darkened room.